formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advance of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 130 ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीब।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art
वायु विचरण शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्म ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर। ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फन भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Ashok Kodkute in 32, a strong, rugged airplane with a mic.
द डॉनियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श वागर सहायता।
The Satluj formation, the Dorniers belonging to 41 Squadron, distinction of being the only aircraft with the role of air calibration of the. And now the formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and the Indian Coast Guard Dorniers capable of carrying out maritime reconnaissances to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
वे विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं। C-2 विंग कमांडर C.P. रेड्डी।
And now aircraft of the Indian Navy and 2 Air Force. Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and ANRI, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI Yadav, and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. PHI airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhoi is Ruchit Kaur.
एक के बाद एक विमान हवा में उड़ान भरते हुए आसमान को चीरते हुए।
Beam formation. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring beam formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं कमांडर सुदीप पी।
Heavy aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Force Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sameep Nithawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhois flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vayusena Medal, and Wing Commander Sudeep.
हैं आसमान में इन वायु गर्जन करने वाले विमानों को ढूंढ रही हैं और एक के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे।
In aero formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Chechi. Marvel the choreography of power and precision. Each
है प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके।
Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have seen. Formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Miv Arun Athare, and Squadron Singh, all from 17 Squadron. These we have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का
दुश्मन। Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by and in Flight Lieutenant Sona. Here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknur, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi, or seek to destroy.
Gratitude शानदार और भव्य समापन गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह का। आकाश में रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे।